Imagine you run a manufacturing line producing plastic bottles for a drinks company. At first, everything looks fine. Production targets are being met, machines are running, orders are shipping. But then, customer complaints begin increasing. Some bottles are too thin, others crack during transport. Some fail quality testing completely. The frustrating part is this: the defects seem random. One shift produces excellent results. The next shift produces huge amounts of scrap. Engineers begin making changes constantly. They adjust machine temperature, then pressure, then cooling time, then material mix. But nothing consistently fixes the issue. This is exactly the kind of problem design of experiments was created to solve. Design of experiments, often called DOE, is a structured method for testing multiple variables scientifically to understand which factors actually affect a process. Instead of changing one thing at a time and guessing the outcome, DOE allows businesses to test several factors together in a controlled way. The goal is simple: find the combination of settings that produces the best results with the least variation. Imagine the production team identifies 4 possible causes affecting bottle quality: machine temperature, injection pressure, cooling time, and material moisture levels. Normally, teams might test one factor at a time. Increase temperature. See what happens, then test pressure separately. But this approach has a major weakness. Processes are rarely influenced by just one factor. Variables often interact with each other. Temperature might only become a problem when pressure is also too high. Cooling time might only matter when moisture levels increase. DOE helps uncover those hidden interactions. The engineering team decides to run a designed experiment. They create a structured test plan where each variable changes systematically across multiple production runs. Some runs use high temperature, some use low temperature. Different combinations of pressure, cooling time, and moisture are tested at the same time. After collecting the data, patterns begin appearing immediately. The analysis reveals something surprising. Temperature alone is not causing most of the defects. The real issue occurs when high temperature combines with short cooling time. That combination creates weak bottle walls and internal stress fractures, something the team never would have discovered by changing variables randomly. The experiment also shows that moisture levels barely affect the process at all. That means the company can stop wasting time focusing on the wrong variable entirely. Now the team knows exactly which settings create stable, high-quality production. They standardize the optimal settings. Defect rates fall dramatically, scrap reduces, customer complaints drop, and machine performance becomes far more predictable. This is the real power of DOE. It replaces assumptions with evidence. Most businesses rely heavily on trial and error. Someone changes a setting. Production improves slightly. Nobody knows exactly why. Then another person changes something else and accidentally creates new problems. DOE brings structure to improvement. It allows teams to identify not just which factors matter, but which combinations of factors matter most. This is especially important in complex processes where many variables interact simultaneously. Design of experiments is widely used in manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, engineering, food production, chemical processing, and product development. Anywhere multiple variables influence quality, DOE can help optimize performance. The important thing to understand is this: DOE is not just about statistics. It is about learning how processes truly behave. Because without structured experimentation, organizations often spend years adjusting the wrong things. The companies that improve fastest are usually not the ones making the most changes. They're the ones testing changes systematically and learning from real data. Design of experiments provides a scientific way to improve processes faster, reduce variation, lower defects, and make operational decisions with confidence instead of guesswork. Explore free templates, calculators, courses, videos, and software tools at simplicityhub.co.uk. SimplicityHub, making things simple.